Good morning, children. You are welcome for the online classes for class 9th. Now I am going to teach a social studies lesson, that is our earth. Where we are living? We are living on the earth. Along with us, so many creatures, millions of creatures are living on this earth. But the human beings, we ourselves, are using all the sources which are available on this earth to make our life comfort. To get a comfortable life, only human beings are using all these natural resources, because human beings are able to know that earth is a source of so many abundant sources. That's why we are using that. Then by using these sources, we are exploiting the natural resources of the earth. By that, so many natural calamities are happening in this earth, like global warming, pollution, and all these are happening by the environmental crisis. Okay, now in this we want to know about what is our universe. What is our universe? What is universe? In the universe, generally, when we sleep in the night time, we look at the sky. Is it right or not? In that sky, we are observing stars, moon, and in the daytime, we are observing sun. By observing that, we thought that the stars only fixed there. Stars, they won't move. Only sun and moon are moving. We thought like that only, na? In this type of thinking only, we spend so many thousands of years. We are in that mood only, in that thinking only. But what happened? 500 years back, our scientists revealed that the earth where we are staying, it is only moving, not the sun and not the sun. Just like a stars, sun also fixed there. Only our earth is moving around the sun. What is sun? We are able to understand one point, that is the stars are fixed. Like that only the sun is also fixed. So we came into one conclusion that sun is also a star. In the universe, there are millions of stars in the universe. By that only universe formed. And in that, some groups of stars formed as a galaxy. In that galaxy, so many stars are there, and for the stars, particularly our sun is also a star. Now, for that sun, we have planets. In that planets only, our earth is also one part. Our earth is moving around the sun in a fixed path, in its axis. Orbit is the path which the earth moves around the sun. It is a circular motion, it is moving around the sun. Then our universe started 13.7 billion years ago. 13.7 billion years ago, our universe started. And afterwards, when at the time, it was not, our earth did not form at the time. Our earth was formed 4.5 billion years ago. Our earth formed at the age of 4.5 billion years ago. How it was formed? How it was formed? It is a question to us. And it is when the earth is formed with the gases first, wrinkled dust particles. It was revealed from the stars by the contraction, and by the contraction of the stars only, some gas material and smoke materials revealed. When that smoke and dust moved apart from the stars, it became a solid, and it took the form of a planet. In that way only our earth is also formed. That is only planet's evolution. This planet, in the starting time, in the evolution time, our earth is not having any gases or any this type of solid particles. At the time, it was a very hot ball swelling of some dust and some smoke. After that, what happening? I think you observe sometimes when we boil some soup, what will happen? The heavy particles in the soup reach the bottom part of the vessel and lighter particles will move onto the top surface and it will cool down and it will become a layer there. Did you observe that? In that way only our earth also, it is formed with the hot gases and all this, no? In our earth also, in the earth surface, heavy particles and heavy minerals which are there, they are in molten state and it is in a inner core. It is in inner core and outer core. A little bit thick material when compared with that core parts. Then it is in the molten form. It is in the mantle, and the upper, when the lighter particles move to the top portion of the earth, then it became hard and it only became as a crust. That is only our layers in the earth. They are crust, mantle and core. In the core we have outer core and inner core. We are living in this on this crust only. We are living on this crust only. In this crust, what happened when they cool down? It became a hard. At the time, what happened? Some ridges and some basins are also wrinkled parts are happened. That only created mountains and basins and all these landforms are formed. And in the starting stage, we won't have any oxygen. No, afterwards oxygen entered. By that oxygen, what happened? Water substance also entered. In that way, our life started. Our earth started, and whatever the land part and whatever the land features we are observing in the earth, it is not there at the formation of earth. It took so many years. It took billions of years to take this form of earth, land masses on this earth. Thank you. We will continue the next class tomorrow.